Hello, died. Tôi playing with pet mine. Ôi tôi playing. Tôi didn't know. Why can't mine? Yeah, it's mine. Oh, wait. Yeah, không nên là mine. Chẳng do lại thì sao nào là mine. Yeah, good job. Do that. It's cold. Huh? Then it went up around the pet. I don't know what I know machining, don't she? I don't play by way. Later for my account, I'll play it on it. But though I got all my data on that account, do I make a new one? Hey, Jones, dollars. Oh, yeah. Then they say I'm a dog. But mine did. I need to book and that's mine one. Oh, cool. What they're doing that? I'm buying them. That's a card. So following it that with a forehead. And I knew. Oh no. Mom, by that. What did it do? What did it do? Huh? Another 5 or the billion. Let's go. I'm going to find them. Out of the video. Y'all want to second part? Y'all want to on the part of the show? Hit the like button and try. Oh wow. That's hard thing to say. Amazon. But I only said something about it. I made it to the fit area that I played the game. I'll make my little friend like that by this. Who gave me a lot of money for me? Oh. Hey. I'm thinking about one trade. It's in the trade. Nope, it's not one. Try to die. I'm gonna turn through my portal. Level 7. Yeah, tweet me it. Yeah. So how you did it? Level 7. Yeah, so we die. nothing now, but we'll try. Yeah, do it. Guys, let's see what we can do. I'm done mine now. No. Love that little pie. We see. Come on down. Who it was. Oh wait, why y'all can I mind me? That would be the end of the video. Bye guys.